This is my last Epic Universe update video. Before the grand opening, that is. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here at Epic Universe. Let's go check out the park just days before its grand opening. A couple of major changes in the Wizarding World to show you in a bit. The Court of the Moon tells us that 2 rides will be closed today. Curse of the Werewolf in Darkmoor, one of the rides that will be closed. The other is Mario Kart Madness in Super Nintendo World. Don't even try those today. A lot of hot sets around the park today. This is just kind of a staging area for equipment. I'm gonna try to sneak my way into a commercial today. Just kidding, I get enough exposure as it is. Here's some more equipment being staged. Some of this, no doubt, for the May 21st opening ceremonies, in addition to the actual opening day ceremonies of May 22nd. There's no signage for it, but there's something going on in here. Let's go investigate. It's a postcard artist or two over here doing some artwork. Interesting. I guess the only way to know about it is if you happen to look up here, say, what's going on up there? Why is there a line of people? And then go investigate like I just did. Otherwise, how you gonna know? Located on the Meridian of Misery, let's go see what's happening in Berk today. Clark Griswold, you only have one flame over there, buddy. Just that one. We'll see if Mead Hall is having any better luck with its flames today. I am recording this at lunchtime. As such, multiple long lines at Spitfire Grill. Toothless is a 90-minute wait at the moment. I do have a tip or trick for this meet and greet, but it's going to be in my tips and tricks video coming out a couple days after this one. There's people in the queue for fire drill. Why are the Viking ships running empty though? Interesting. Maybe it was just coming off a delay. Oh, the wait time sign does say delay. I'm happy to report Mead Hall has both of its flames going. I'm not going to dunk my head in there, but I will do my baseball cap. That actually feels pretty good now. One of the best family rides in the park, as long as every family member is over 40 inches, Pickup Swing Glider is a 55-minute wait. The monoliths in front of each world, or portal, they now have the sign, "Pardon our Stardust." We all assume now that this is just part of the opening ceremonies, opening day or something. Across from the Star Sioux Bow and near the Dragon Portal, the Isle of Berk that is, this, I guess it's a stage. Again, something I assume is for the opening day or opening week of Epic Universe. I just finished my lunch from inside of the Meteor Astropub. I'm gonna do something different. Post it as its own short video. Look for that sometime in the future. To the left of the entrance for StarDust Racers, right over here, it hasn't even been opening day yet, and they have removed the smoking section. Not just from here, which was a very bad location considering the outside queue of this ride, but all of Universal Orlando Resorts. No more smoking inside the parks. I actually give credit to the change in policy to this smoking section. I feel like this is the reason why they changed the whole policy. Or depending on your point of view, you could say blame. Into the Wizarding World. A couple big changes in here. Also a sign over there. It is a hot set in here today. And I'm not talking about the 104-degree heat index today. For the past several days, they've been running the Battle at the Ministry without a virtual queue. They've been using a standby wait. The longest I've seen has been 500 minutes, but currently it's just a 165-minute wait. We'll see which method they use May 22nd and beyond, though. The other big news in the Wizarding World, here at Cosme Akajor, 3 new second generation magical wands. 3 character second generation wands are now available. The big 3. Harry, Hermione, and Dumbledore. Sorry, Ron Weasley, no second generation wand for you. Cosme Akajor. I am. I love your shop.
That's because you have good taste.
I do. It's beautiful in there, Cosme Akajor.
Thank you. You know, I put in lots of time and effort into this space. So when people like you come and they appreciate the space, it means a lot to me.
She modeled it after herself. That's why it's so beautiful.
Well, I try to live up to my ones, you know. Yes, you do.
I just happen to be walking by Bar Moonshine and I can hear the duel happening inside those 3 windows there. A lot of new merchandise is going to be released May 22nd on opening day. I've been told I must stop by Cosme Akajor, so my interest is piqued. So curious as to the new merchandise that's going to be in that store. More opening day ceremony set up over here by the Bellagio Hotel. Looks like they are setting up a stage over here by the fountains. Big going-ons on the 21st and 22nd. The Blue Dragon restaurant is now open. If you're interested in Chinese, Japanese, or Thai food, this is the place for you. One more shot of all the prep work for the grand opening. Now, when I was in Dartmoor earlier this morning, the wait time for Monsters was only a 20-minute wait. I wonder what it is now. I love the portal for Super Nintendo World, that warp pipe, but this one here, because of the music, I think it's the best one. Listen up. Be careful when eating at Das Steakhouse. The meal you have here could be your last. In advance of the opening date of May 22nd, they have added tables and chairs to the patio section out here. And remember to have the steak when you're here, but be careful, it could be your last. Oh my God, it's only a 15-minute wait now. I am going on it. I should be careful with this ride. It could be my last. Oh my. They've updated this model now to include people in it.
Closely. This is a catacombs navigational unit. All you little labrats and your little labrat friends get to ride one. Use it. Ye course steers. Nothing goes wrong. Yes? Don't forget that. This is just the emergency.
Next scene. Frankenstein 2.0.
These people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing, better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge.
Dracula.
Count Dracula.
Just got off the ride. This is the first time I've seen them offering the photos, the on-ride photos. I would like to mention they've turned on some new effects for this ride. They were awesome. I won't tell you all, but one of them, Wolfman Slobber. On the way to the curse of the werewolf, human footprint, and then it turns into a paw, a wolfman paw. Like the sign said at the front of the park, it is closed today.
I didn't do that!
Here comes Igor. Hey, that looks heavy. Can I give you a hand?
better choices.
The burning blade is about to go ablaze. Here it comes. I see the fire back there. Or did I just miss it when I was fooling around with those other people? I think I just missed it. That's okay, because what I really wanted to tell you was over here. I've told you about the visual special effects with the villagers walking through here, seeing the light, but there's also an audio effect. You can hear the villagers walking up the hill to the burning blade as well. Across the way from the Constellation Carousel is this Starbucks. I just thought I would mention in the morning. This one is less busy than the Starbucks at the front of the park. For the first time that I've been here, the attraction Astronomica is working. This splash pad here. I'm sure it looks even better at nighttime. I'm here to answer the question, is this one attraction or two attractions? There's two tracks, but if you buy express passes, it only works once. It's not like you can express pass the green track and then use it again to express the yellow track. Therefore, using that reasoning, this StarDust Racers is one attraction. Oh, let's step into Super Nintendo World for a hot second, see what's happening. Well, we already know Minecart Madness isn't working today. Here we go. So I'm going to critique myself with the here we go. I think I sound a little more like Peter Pan's flight than Mario when I do it. Good sized line to meet Peach right now. It's a 100-minute wait for Mario Kart right now. This land is so bright during the daytime. I think the best time for this land is dusk and nighttime. The sun just bounces off all the colors here. My knee is killing me. Let's take the elevator down. There is an Epic Universe souvenir popcorn bucket for $35. Oh heck. Let's go inside of the Other Worlds Mercantile and show you a little more merchandise. An Epic Universe purse for $53. Mini backpack, Epic Universe, $63. For $32, an Epic Universe bucket hat, reversible. Baseball cap, $32. The Cinch backpack, two holding areas, the main holding area and then the zipper one up front, $40 for it. Epic Snow Globe, $48. Cool looking shot glass for $13. $25 for the mug. Picture frame, $29. Epic Universe baseball cap, $24. That is it for Epic Preview Days. It's all going to be for real a few days from now on May 22nd. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. We'll see you then.